Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to improve your crosshair placement in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, head level aim. Keep your crosshair at head level to ensure you're ready for headshots. Pre-aim corners. Anticipate enemy position and pre-aim around corners to minimize reaction time. Practice flick shots. Train your reflexes by practicing flick shots to quickly adjust your aim. Use aim training maps. Utilize aim training maps or custom matches to refine your crosshair placement. Watch pro gameplay. Analyze pro players' crosshair placement in streams or video to learn from their techniques. Stay calm. Maintain a steady hand and stay calm under pressure to keep your crosshair steady. Adjust sensitivity. Experiment with sensitivity settings to find what works best for your aiming style. Utilize aim assist. Make use of aim assist settings to help you stay on target, especially on mobile devices. Crosshair placement in movement. Practice keeping your crosshair at head level while strafing or moving. Crosshair placement discipline. Develop discipline to always keep your crosshair where enemies are most likely to appear. Analyze mistakes. Review gameplay footage to identify instances of poor crosshair placement and learn from them. Center screen awareness. Keep your crosshair center on the screen to minimize movement needed for adjustments. Predict enemy movements. Anticipate where enemies will appear based on map knowledge and adjust your crosshair accordingly. Play patiently. Avoid rushing and take your time to ensure your crosshair placement is precise. Practice short burst. Train yourself to fire in short, controlled bursts to maintain accuracy. Use crosshair placement guides. Some custom maps offer visual guides to help you train proper crosshair placement. Keep crosshair close to cover. When moving between cover, keep your crosshair close to potential enemy positions. And that's how to improve your crosshair placement in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.